Hey, hospitality superstars. I'm Daniel Vosotas, your guide with over 40 years of experience in hotels, real estate, and short term rentals. Welcome to the ultimate guide on mastering dynamic pricing for your Airbnb or short term rental in 2025. Whether you're a new host or a seasoned pro looking to boost your revenue, this video will walk you through the best tools and trends to keep your calendar booked and your profits high. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, legal, or investment advice. Always consult qualified professionals like accountants or business advisors for personalized guidance on your short term rental business. I may mention tools with affiliate links, but my recommendations are based on my honest experience. Drop Hospitality Superstar in the comments to join our community. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Why is dynamic pricing so important for short term rentals in 2025? The short term rental market is booming with a 20% surge in demand for unique stays. According to industry data, guests expect competitive prices that reflect market trends, and setting the right price can make or break your success. Dynamic pricing uses data to adjust your rates in real time based on demand, competition, and local events, helping you maximize revenue while staying booked. In this video, we'll cover what dynamic pricing is, the top tools to use, and how to set up your strategy, key trends for 2025, and a bonus tip to avoid common pricing mistakes. These strategies will help you stay ahead in the competitive short term rental market, whether you're listing on Airbnb, Vrbo, or other platforms. Let's get started with understanding dynamic pricing. Unlike fixed pricing, where you set one year round rate, dynamic pricing adjusts your nightly rates based on factors like seasonality, local events, or competitor pricing. For example, in a high demand market like a tourist city, you may charge higher rates during a music festival and lower rates during off season to attract bookings. This approach ensures you're not leaving money on the table during peak times or losing bookings when demand is low. Dynamic pricing tools use AI to analyze market data and recommend rates, taking the guesswork out of pricing. The goal is to balance occupancy and revenue, keeping your listings competitive. This is a general overview, so consult a financial advisor to tailor pricing to your specific financial goals. Next, let's explore the top tools for dynamic pricing. AI-powered tools like Price Labs, Beyond Pricing, or Wheelhouse. I may include affiliate links for these in the description. Connect to your Airbnb or Vrbo account and analyze data like local demand, competitor rates, and booking trends. These tools suggest daily rates to optimize your revenue. To get started, link your listing to the tool, set a base price by reaching similar listings in your area, and enable automatic adjustments. For example, if a major event is coming to your city, the tool may recommend a 20% increase. Regularly review the tool's suggestions to ensure they align with your goals. Check Airbnb or Vrbo search results to confirm your base price is competitive before relying on automation. These tools save time and boost profits, but consult a professional to integrate them into your financial strategy. Now, how do you set up your dynamic pricing strategy? Start by researching your local market. Look at similar listings on Airbnb or Vrbo to understand the average nightly rates and occupancy levels. For instance, a tourist-heavy area, you might find rates range from 100 to 150 per night with 70% occupancy. Set a base price within this range. Then use a dynamic pricing tool to adjust rates based on demand. Configure settings to account for minimum and maximum prices to avoid over or under pricing. For example, set a minimum to cover cleaning fees and taxes and a maximum to stay competitive during peak seasons. Offer discounts for weekly or monthly stays to attract longer bookings, which reduce turnover. Monitor your tools performance weekly to ensure it's working effectively. This is a starting point. Consult a business advisor to refine your strategy for maximum profitability. Let's talk about 2025 trends to watch. The short term rental market is evolving, with AI driving smarter pricing decisions. In 2025, expect increased demand for unique stays like eco friendly homes or properties with work from home setups. Tools are adapting to prioritize guest preferences, such as offering discounts for flexible check in times. Another trend is hyper local pricing, where tools factor in micro events like a local marathon to fine tune rates. Stay updated by checking industry reports or platforms like AirDNA for demand forecasts. Adjust your pricing to reflect these trends, such as offering midweek discounts in business heavy areas. These trends are based on current data, but verify with local market research to ensure relevance to your area. Here's a bonus tip. Avoid common pricing mistakes. One big error is setting prices too low to attract bookings, which can undervalue your property and hurt profits. Another is ignoring fees. Always include cleaning fees, taxes, and platform fees in your calculations to avoid losses. Don't rely solely on automation. Regularly check your pricing tool suggestions to ensure they make sense for your market. For example, if a tool suggests a rate that's much higher than competitors, it could deter bookings. Also avoid fixed price year round, as it misses out on seasonal opportunities. These tips can help you price smarter, but work with a financial expert to avoid pitfalls specifically to your business. All right, hospitality superstars, time to take control of your pricing. Pick a dynamic pricing tool today. Research your local market and start optimizing your rates. The 2025 market reward hosts who price smartly, so don't miss out. Subscribe now for weekly hospitality tips to keep you ahead, and comment hospitality superstar to share your pricing goals. Check out my other videos on Airbnb strategies and hospitality trends for more ways to succeed. I'm Daniel Vosotas, your guide to hospitality success, and I will see you in the next one.